Do you want to add any clickable links to your TikTok bio? No worries. Hey there, here's a quick and easy guide to adding any clickable links on the TikTok bio with just one click. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you're using the latest updated version of the TikTok app. After that, they decide which social media link that you want to make clickable. To copy the link, open up your site that you want to add. Now copy the link. For example, I will use my Facebook account. Once I copy the link, now I need to open TikTok app, tap on profile. After that, tap on the edit profile button. And now tap on the bio under the username section. After that, enter the link URL you want to add. Tap the save button. So, this is the procedure to add any clickable link to your TikTok bio. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.